Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some things that I do to rest and rejuvenate myself. I'm going to show you guys my little baby garden that I have in my backyard, and I'm also going to be planting a little lemon tree. So you guys are going to be here from start to finish. Come with me. So I couldn't find any lemon seeds, so I'm going to take some lemons out of a fresh lemon that I got from the store because I love lemons and I'm tired of purchasing it. Yes, I did. I'm using 2 seeds to plant that. That's what we're gonna be doing towards the end of this episode. How did everybody's week go? It's it's Saturday, almost Sunday, almost time to restart. So let's get into this video. I'm gonna start by showing you guys my first little plant. I'm gonna water them as we go, and towards the end we'll get to that lemon plant. Thanks to everybody that subscribed already. Okay, here we have my cucumber plant, and I don't know if y'all can tell me anything about this. It looked like it was sunburnt. I'm trying to get it back to life right now. Let me see. I'm about to water it though. If I ever get this glove open. See, nobody's letting people laugh at me. I can't get my glove open. Hold on. Alright, I got it. They can't be having them laughing. You gonna put it on me? You so stupid. Alright, here we go. Alrighty. Put my glove back on. We're gonna start with my baby little strawberry. Let me introduce y'all to we're gonna go from left. It's alright. We're gonna go to the cucumber. Alright, let me get some water. Water up. We're gonna need some more water too. This is my cucumber plant. We're gonna water it up. Anybody with some tips, please let me know. I think I may need to replant it because it looks like it's like to the top. And the root is like right there. It's not even all the way down in there. I'm trying to get it down in there. The root is like, look, the root is like right here. You see it? Hopefully we get it a little secured up and that and watered it some. And this my little trellis I got this from Home Depot. So hopefully it was doing better till it got hot. Okay. Now this right here is my bell pepper. I'm so proud of this. Look at it. Get into this. My little baby bell pepper. Look, it's starting to grow. Look at that. One here. Coming in there. One in the back. Yep. I bought this one. I think I bought it pre-planted. I think it was the Bonnie. The Bonnie? Yeah, the Bonnie plant. Oh, is it Bonnie? It is. I'm about to tell y'all the name now. Yep, Bonnie plants. Bonnie plants. It was a little baby when I got it. You know. But that's what we going. It had nothing on it. It was a little bitty one. I'm gonna get one. We're gonna do that one from start to finish. Okay, this is another pepper plant. They ain't quite come in yet. It's starting to come in a little bit. We'll water that one up soon. So what do you guys did this week? I know I went to Pilates. I had an adventurous week. Pilates with my tail. This right here is my jalapeno plant. This plant, if you guys like jalapenos, this will be a very good plant for you guys. It grows really, really, really fast. I got this one from Home Depot as well, and it's also the Bonnie. I done had this plant for about 3 months, and I have been harvesting on it since I got it. Okay, I am a jalapeno plant lover. Okay. Yep. If I'm doing something wrong, don't feel be ashamed to leave a comment below. Okay. So this is my baby. I actually grew this from seed. This is my watermelon plant. The landscaper came and he cut some of her up, but you can see she still. I'm gonna have to cut this. Get my little cutters. You can start like right here because we have probably on the inside. I'm back. Okay. I had to go get my little cutters. I seen a little brown at my little room over here, so I'm gonna just come over here and cut it. So, I'm gonna cut it like right here. And I'm gonna cut it right here. Just the brown pieces that I cut off. Again, I'm learning as I go. So don't be negative Nancy in my comments, okay? All right, y'all. So my watermelon plant. I'm so excited about this, y'all. Okay. Now we're about to move on to the stuff that I actually planted myself from seed. Okay. Here we have right here my strawberries. I actually planted these from seed. I started them in the house. Then I moved them outside. Let me show you the tray that I started them in before I transplanted them outdoors. Honey. So normally what I do is, these got messed up in the rain, so I'm just showing y'all. I normally start them indoors in one like this. Once they start to sprout, then I take them and I transplant them outdoors, either in one of the black buckets or in my red flower bed. This one right here. Alright, so here we have my strawberries that I'm also proud of. They're just like growing like wildflower. I'm trying to like water around the roots. I don't see any strawberries on these yet, just yet. Water. I like to catch rainwater, but I don't have much to eat. Not much. Okay. But hey, let me get some water too. You cutting it off again? Oh, okay. So, back to what I was saying. This is the stuff that I grew. All of this, everything you see here is what I grew from seed. So these are my strawberries, my babies. I grew from seed. I like to get in water them a little bit. Y'all can tell me I'm doing something wrong, but obviously I'm doing something right because they're growing. They're growing, so I must be doing something right. Here's some more peppers here. Where am I not cutting? We have more peppers. Get into this one too. This one also was grown from seed. Look at that. Get into that bell pepper. Ooh, look at that. You know what I'm saying? Alrighty. So I'm just checking on. We got some more coming in now. Trying to get like the little brown ones off there. So we go on this side. Okay. No brown on them. Anyone coming back here? Okay, so I'm gonna make that soon. Give me that soil. And this one here, let me show them this one here. This one here just sprouted. This one here is some seeds I got out of a bell pepper that was in my home. That one didn't come from the store. I'm about to go ahead on and put some of my my organic plus red sprouted soil in there. Yes. I don't know my mic, and next time I promise to have it on, you guys. Y'all staying hydrated. It is so hot out here. I got me some water. I'm about to drink in just a second. Make sure y'all drinking your water. Drinking me some water. Okay. Whew, good. All right. I'm gonna water my little babies. Oh, look, I gonna. I'm doing this afternoon because it was so hot this morning, so I just say why not. It was too darn hot. Alrighty. Now we're gonna move on over to another. Yes, don't judge me. I love bell peppers. Yes, I do. This one happens to be a green one. Okay. This one hasn't like really started sprouting yet, but this is supposed to be a green one. A little stubborn one. You see it's kind of like coming out. Get up in there. Let's see. One gonna be there. There. So it's gonna be a couple there. Okay. I'm gonna water this one up as well. Yeah, we're gonna do gardening on Saturdays. What y'all think? We're gonna do gardening on Saturdays? Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. You get my face, camera lady? You getting it? All right. All right, here we go. This is my okra plant. I'm reading about it. It's telling me that once it gets cold, then I should see something going on with it. I don't see anything going on with it yet. But stay tuned. We're gonna see how this works out for us. Okie dokie. Now we're gonna move over to here. Now this pepper plant, I had to put it in another one because again, the landscaper got me. Okay. This one is by Burpee. So y'all, I love jalapenos. But this one, I only like pick from maybe once. Really small plant. We're gonna see how it goes. Just follow along. I'm gonna water her. Water her. I don't know, her, him, whoever. They're gonna all be hers. This is all my daughters, y'all. Alright. Next we have one of my strawberry plants. I know y'all tired of saying strawberries, but I love fruit. And as you can see, they're starting to come in. I have two there. One coming in there, one coming in there. So I think this one is doing pretty good. I wanted to see the difference in growing them in the red flower bed and growing them in the containers. Okay. So, without further ado, let's get on to the finale, who we're here for, my lemon tree. So, I'm a big fan of lemon water. I've been looking for seeds. I'm here in Louisiana, I've been looking for seeds, couldn't find any. They told me I had to go online, so I said, what the heck? I regrow lettuce. Why not try the lemon? So, you guys will see it from start to finish. So, let's get it ready. And I have me a lemon pot. These doggone gloves just going right by me today. I open it one and one close. Like, isn't it cute? Isn't it cute? See, I have a lemon flower pot. And it was on sale, Walmart, $5. Can't beat that. So it was destined for me to do this. Where my seeds at? Uh-oh. I got one seed. Where the other seed? I done lost a seed, y'all. One seed there. I may need another lemon. One seed. I need another seed. Where did my seed go? Well, we'll get to that later. All right. We're going to plant that one now. I'll put another one in there later. Just know it's going to be 2 seeds in there. Y'all going to see me put one in there. All right. I'm going to start putting some. What my little cup I be using? Oh, there you go. Mosquitoes is bad out here. To the top. Just a little bit. I'm gonna put my lemon seed in. My lemon seed. Remember, I'm putting one on camera because I lost one, but I'm gonna have 2 in here. So when you see it growing, it's gonna be 2. So I'm gonna put it in. It's in the pot. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's in there. Right over there. I'll put another one in there soon. I like to use this when I first plant myself. It's some bone meal. It's like a little fertilizer plant food. Just don't let it get wet. Please don't let it get wet. Because, oh my God, it's funky. It smells very bad. Don't wet. I just put a little bit on there. And then I'll go back over it with some more flour. Let's see. This plant going in the house, so I guess I'm going to put it on the porch in the mornings, but in the rest of the day it's going to be in the inside. So this is my lemon little plant. I'm going to put some water in it. Alright, just water just for the day. Let's see. Oh, I see. Alright. The drain at the bottom. If I get distracted, y'all don't put me no mind. I'm just distracted like that. So, this is my lemon plant. When y'all see it, she gonna be inside and clean. I just want to say thanks to everyone who has subscribed so far. I'm so excited and grateful for it. I am gonna be tuned. Don't forget to tune in on Monday. I'll have an episode loaded for you guys. Again, thanks for your subscribes, and till next time, be cute, be blessed, and drink your damn water. Bye.